Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to stretch a video in Premiere Pro. So it's actually pretty simple. This is my video that we will be stretching. First thing you will need to do is click on your clip and go right up here to Effect Controls. If you don't see Effect Controls right here, click on this drop down arrow and go over to Effect Controls. Then notice these motion effects, because this is important. You have to undo this uniform scale checkmark, click on it. Now you can stretch your clip. So you can see scale height and scale width. So like this, just move your mouse right to bottom. As you can see, it's stretching this clip. You can do it also just by clicking on position right here and then manually doing it in your clip. It is a little bit tricky in Premiere, but you get the idea. So thank you guys for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.